So today was really bad, as you guys can see on my screen. So just a little frustrated with what happened today. Um, so coming into the day, first mistake I made was I woke up early around like 7 a.m. and I was basically looking at the chart. And I'm not doing this again, but I'm not going to look at the charts until 10 minutes before market open because initially my bias was bullish. I wanted to see these hourly lows get swept. So at 7:30, I go in the chat and I'm like, "Hey guys, buys for the day. I'm bullish. I want to see all this buy side liquidity up here get taken out." But as soon as I post that, we never sweep out these lows. We actually respect an hourly fair value gap here. And we're bullish. Basically, what I said was going to happen happened. I said, I'm looking to be bullish today. I want to see all of these highs get swept. Mojo. Sorry, dog in the background. And initially, I'm correct. And I bet my bias actually ends up playing out because it looks like it's going to. But that doesn't matter because if you see this right here, it says minus $500. And that's what happened today. So, first mistake, I'm not getting on the charts till 9:10 New York time. Because if I would have gone on then, my bias would have been bearish because I'd have been like, okay, cool, let me see these highs get swept and I'll look for shorts. And there was a short play that happened that someone could have taken. But what happens? I'm now looking for longs. So that's the first situation where I'm wrong. Second situation, look what's happened before today. $200 Wednesday, $440 Thursday, Friday $300, yesterday $200. So we're basically up over $1,000 on the account now before today, which is pretty cool, right? I'm so close to getting my first payout. I've manifested it. I've been like, I'm going to get my first payout on this Express account. It's going to pay for everything I've lost in trading for the first 2 months I've been trading because I've only been trading for 2.5 months. And yeah, I let money basically take over my brain, and I let money affect how I trade. So now, as soon as I saw this, we had a 5-minute tiny fair value gap. I took the trade on ES. We had this tiny 5-minute fair value gap get respected. So I'm like, okay, cool. This proves bullish order flow. We're respecting a 5-minute gap. So what do? We create this right here. Missed my first initial move. So now I'm already mad I missed the first initial move. We create another fair value gap. It never taps back into the fair value gap. I don't even wait for it to tap back into the fair value gap. I get in so freaking early because I'm so scared that I'm going to miss out on a trade. And I'm going to miss out on making so much money on micros. Like, are you serious, bro? Like, well, I don't know what I was thinking getting in. To make it even worse, I got in on the 15-second time frame because I was scared I missed my initial entry, and I got in on this candle right here that tapped into this 15-second fair value gap. I'm like, what are we, like, why, Nick? Like, what is the reason for this? I don't understand. Like, looking back at it, I'm just like, what are you doing, bro? Like, I was impatient, and I was still bullish for the day because, again, my first mistake was getting on the charts an hour too early for no reason. So I took that trade based on my bias, thinking about all these hourly highs and all this resting liquidity up here is going to get swept. Just a stupid mistake. That was my second mistake. Third mistake. Cool. You don't enter in the best trade. Where's your stop loss at, Nick? Below this fair value gap, right? Like your stop loss should be right here, right? Below this fair value gap. No, I didn't have a stop loss. I was so worried price was going to come and sweep me out, and then it's going to run to my take profit. Whereas I completely forgot what risk management is, where a stop loss is needed in order to not blow your account. And I'm waiting. Okay, cool. We tapped in the 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, we have a chance. We have this 1 minute fair value gap down here. I marked this out. I was like, okay, wait. This is unmitigated. We have a chance to go back up. Let it go back up. You should probably pull out about right here, right? Because like your trade's not going too well. No, I held with it for some reason. Still didn't even put a stop loss. And eventually, we went down, and I lost $500 in this trade. So that was initially how I lost the trade. And obviously, I was really, really, really mad because of the days I've been having have been really, really, really good. But in trading, in order to win, you need to lose a lot. And that's one thing I'm failing to realize. And obviously, I'm learning the hard way. Everyone has to learn the hard way to become a successful day trader. Trials and tribulations, just got to get through it. And it's crazy because I said if we sweep these highs, we're going to sell off. Look what happens. We sweep these highs and we sell off. It's crazy how that works, right? It's crazy, right? Like, it's insane. I literally was in the Discord live call, and I was like, yeah, guys, look for shorts here. I reacted off this big candle, and I'm like, oh my goodness. We retrace into a 1 minute. We're going for the moon. We're going for these take profits up here. No. I was thinking about the money. I was thinking about, can I make like $1,500 today, put my account over like 2,500, hit the 5-day consistency rule and hit my take profit and freaking get my first payout? That's how I was thinking. I wasn't thinking on what happens if I lose. So that's where I failed. And look what happens. We create a 1 minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap right here. This could have been another entry right here. Perfect entry in my opinion that I missed out on because I locked myself out of my rule locked myself out of my account. So yeah, I mean, I'm still blessed to be up $600 on the account, but this is not all, guys. This is not all. Guess what I did? After the fact that I got locked out of my account, I was so mad because I was like, oh my goodness, let me just get in on shorts. Let me just get in on shorts because I know for a fact since I was wrong the first time, I'm not going to be wrong the second time. So for some reason, let's buy an evaluation account and just get it up there enough so like I can get ready to pass it tomorrow. And then like once I get this payout on my Express account, then I'll pay for this to turn it into another live account. Look what happened. I full ported this account thinking we were going to go short. And as you can see here, in a single trade, I lost $2,000, which obviously means you blow the Express account because you can't lose $2,000. I got in with too many NASDAQ contracts, and within about 2 minutes, this account was gone. And in all honesty, this is why I'm mad today. I'm not mad because I'm still mad because I lost $500 in that earlier trade, but this is why I'm mad. This exact reason that is on my screen. Like $50, that could have paid for my groceries this week. But now, no, that is for an Express account. Now another $50 has to come out of my account for groceries. Instead of this, I could have just been like, okay, take my loss, bad trading day, bad psychology day, we're back tomorrow. No. I had to do something really stupid out of pure anger. And what did this get me? Honestly, and like I'm kind of happy this happened to me. Because there's only one way for me to learn, and it's in order for stuff like this to happen. It's the only way I'm going to be able to learn how to become a profitable trader. And I'm so confident I'm going to be able to do it. I'm 2 months in. I'm up on my Express account. I've passed multiple valuations. Yes, I have blown Express accounts, but on this one, I'm very confident. I'm learning so much. I've been learning so much recently. We've been doing so good on the Express account. I mean, look, like these are good numbers for someone being in 3 months into trading. Like you guys can't lie. Like just a bad day today. But no, this right here was why I'm mad. Like what am I thinking? Like I don't know. It happened and it happened for a good reason. But that is why I'm very mad. That was one of the most stupid things I could have done. Out of pure anger, no reason to buy this, just did it. But yeah, I mean, tomorrow's going to be scary to trade. We have CPI in the morning. I'll check it out. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to force anything. Um, but yeah, I mean, not a bad day. But what made it worse, I bought an evaluation account for no reason. Like for literally no reason. And this is the point I'm gonna have to get over. Is this hump is like the psychological hump of knowing when to not be an idiot. And this was an idiot, me being an idiot today. I had no right, no reason to purchase this Express account. Like there no reason at all. And what do? I blow an Express account in one trade, lose $50 I was going to pay for my groceries, and now I'm just stuck in two losses today, and I have to deal with it the next 5 hours. And that's the most annoying part about trading is it can ruin your day. Like it can literally ruin your day, and like I'm mad, and I'm probably gonna be mad the rest of the day until the market opens tomorrow. I mean, obviously you don't want to let it affect you that much, but it did. Um, but yeah, I made a bad mistake today, but it's all about learning. This was my recap for today. See what we can do tomorrow. Not going to force anything at all. If there's a good setup, I'll take it. If not, I will not be too worried about it. But yeah, again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to drop a subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. We're closing in on 100 subscribers here. Also, a free Discord is in my bio if you want to join the community. Looks like lots of people took some good trades today. As you can see here, a lot of good trades today in my book by the people. Happy they won. Sad I didn't deal with it. Get over it. But yeah, this is trade recap for today again. Discord link is in my bio. If you haven't subscribed to YouTube, make sure to drop a subscription. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube, make sure to drop a subscription. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow.